Welcome to EKTV. Today, a shallow magnitude earthquake was reported in Japan, Bonin Island. The quake hits Japan today, 19 February 2022, at a very shallow depth. German Research Center for Geosciences is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.0, and US Geological Survey is the second agency also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.